Hey, it's going to be a great day. I'm excited about taking my drone up to Francis Peak. Now you may think, I saw this before. Deja vu all over again. No, about 2 years ago I did put out a video going up to Francis Peak, and after the intro it came back and said, uh-oh, back up, I lost my drone. Here's a little snippet of the beginning of that video. Well, it's a pretty exciting day today because I'm headed out to test out my new drone.
Whoa, 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 let's back up here.
So, we're going to roll that intro. This time I'm hoping that I don't lose the drone again. I've been through the Mavic Air, the Mavic Air 2, and this is my second Mavic 2 Pro. If you've been following me, you know what happened to the first one. Anyway, let's roll that intro now. So I'm excited to get back up there and see how, if Francis Peak has changed. I doubt if it's changed a bit. I'm even wearing the same shirt that I wore last time just to kind of keep you confused. I'm excited about getting up there today. It's like almost 100 degrees here in the valley. Hopefully it'll be a lot cooler up there on top of the mountain as it's 4,000 or 5,000 feet higher than I am now. So let's head on up there and see what we get. Okay, and here we go, on our way to Francis Peak, and some exciting times. We've got to make a couple of little stops first, but that won't be a problem. And let's have a great day. Well, you may remember last time this was the first place I stopped and thought I got some video. If you watched it, and if you didn't, that's fine too. I thought I got some video. Turns out I started the video when I meant to stop it and stopped the video when I meant to start it. I've heard from other people that I'm not the only one that's ever done that. So we're going to try it again in this beautiful area. You can't see the beautiful area from here, so I'm going to show it to you from the drone. It is a little bit breezy up here, which is why I've got the dead cat on. I think you'll find that the audio is a lot better on this 2 year later trip than it was on the first trip also. Well, those are some pretty clouds there behind us, and off in the distance, kind of in the shadow right now, under the clouds have shadowed in, it's the city of Morgan, or town of Morgan, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to take a little flight around here. We're real close to the very top of Francis Peak. So let's see if we can get some flight and going. I had planned, I'm going to start this one again. Doesn't like me not having my seatbelt on. Okay, all right. I had planned on sticking around through a sunset, but I don't think there's going to be much of a sunset, at least not from up here. So that's okay. It has started to rain and we need the rain so bad. It's just been a drought year. So it's still probably almost an hour till sunset, and I'm heading down before it starts raining any harder. I did see a couple bolts of lightning and heard a couple or three thunders to go along with that, bolts of lightning. And so time to get down off the mountain, but it's been fun and I hope you enjoyed it. And I interspersed a few shots from last time to do a little bit of comparison. But if you enjoyed it, and if you like to tag along with me on these photo journeys and other travel and whatever hits my hot button at the time, hit that subscribe button and give me a like if you like it. If you don't like it, hit the unlike twice. Until next time, keep on keeping on.